Hello and welcome to another weekly vlog. Today is Sunday. It's been a few days since I last started filming, but we've just been out the house, which is why I look nice. We've been to Mr. Postle's for roast. If you're in Norfolk or Norwich area and you want a good roast, I would highly recommend Mr. Postle's. Best roast. And then we went in like around the city, went to some shops, which I'll show you actually what I got. This really cute cushion. This is from Tkmaxx. It's my new favourite shop. I feel like now I know I'm getting old because I don't even want to go in clothes shops when I go into the city anymore. I just want to go into the home shops. So this was £9.99. It looks so cute on our sofa. Our living room is the next room. Once these rooms are finished, like my office and Chris's office, then that's the next room to be done. And I got some boring things, some hangers, and this candle. It's really heavy. If you can go into Tkmaxx about getting a candle, I applaud you. We got the vanilla pumpkin and bourbon candle. It's absolutely beautiful. It smells like autumn. I'm so excited for autumn. And it was only £12.99. Literally the size of my head. I feel like I want to get cosy this afternoon. It's like 5 o'clock now. I feel like I'm gonna get cosy, get in my PJs, hair mask in, watch a film, but we can't. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I popped into Boots to get some random bits, so I just got some nail files. Oh, I also got this from Tkmaxx. Really trendy spatula because I needed a new spatula for my baking. I don't need baking again. The best hairspray ever, got to be glue hairspray. It's absolutely ginormous. Bigger than my head. I feel like today's measurements are, is it bigger than my head? Yes. And some acetone. I've never seen it like this, but it was the only way they had it in Boots. Ultra quick strip lash adhesive. This is the best adhesive in pencil sharpener. The Glamorous. That's what I got today. I am now going to make a cup of tea. I'm absolutely so thirsty. We also went to go and pick up Chris's paint for his office. I haven't actually showed you, basically his office we painted the 3 walls white. And then here's like a dark blue wall as his kind of feature room. I will show you, I'll probably show you tomorrow actually. The wallpaper samples did come before in here, and I have picked a wallpaper sample. That is over there. I will show you the wallpaper samples on the wall, but I can't wait to get it like actually finished in here. I got ready in here last night because we went out for our friend's birthday, and it was so nice to find everything I wanted and to get ready in one space and to not be like stressed where is this and to have so many options to pick from. It was like amazing. But I'm just going off on a tangent. I'm going to show you the wallpaper. So these are the wallpaper samples. This one was my favourite until I put it on the wall, and now it's my least favourite. I do really like it, but just not for in here, I don't think. This was second favourite, and this is the one I'm going for. I think it would look so nice. I literally want it, it's all my stuff everywhere. I probably want it just a little bit wider than my dressing table, but only that section. So I thought that's a really good print to kind of go there. And then my mirror, which is down here, is going to go on my wall. Hopefully we'll get it done this week, and then my room will be semi-finished. And then I think I want some sort of rug or something because I want to get we're going to get new carpets everywhere, but that's a long way off. Look how cool my print is. I actually got this for Christmas last year from my mum and dad, and I was like, this can be perfect in my office, and it just looks so cute. I just love it. All my things, like they're all hung up and organised. Good morning! Actually, it's not morning, it's afternoon now, but this morning I have been painting Chris's office. So, first coat is on. I will actually go and show you. That'll be best when that, hang on. So this is what I've been painting this wall. Obviously the walls aren't very straight in this house, but I have done the best I can with, that's just one coat. This is the Fenwick and Tilbrook colour in Aurora Sky. It's actually really nice. He's going to put his desk on that wall, and he's got his chair and all these little collectibles. I think he's going to be pleased with it when he comes home. He's actually just popped to the dentist to pick up a retainer, but hopefully he likes it. Fingers crossed. I am now going to make a cup of tea because I deserve it. Good morning! Today is a very exciting day. We are going to, by the end of today, one step closer to my dream walk-in wardrobe. Today's the day we are going to wallpaper my little feature area. Daddy's coming over because I've never wallpapered in my life, and I want to give it a go. Like, I want to say that I can wallpaper, but I feel like I need a bit of supervision. So Dad's coming over. They're also bringing my car. I haven't had my car for like 3 weeks now. Yeah, we've been in this house 3 weeks today, and I haven't had my car for the whole time, so it would be amazing to finally have my car and a bit more independence. So, and it will obviously be really nice to see them because I haven't seen them in about a week. They went to Liverpool at the weekend, and they really enjoyed it from what I kind of got through text and stuff. So they're going to catch me up on that. I think I need to go to Liverpool. They went for like a Peaky Blinders kind of tour to show where they filmed it and stuff. Yeah, going to catch up with them. I'm going to wallpaper my wall. I've ordered 3 rolls of the wallpaper. On the website, the Lust Home website, it says how much, like, you put in your measurements of what the space of the wall you want to fill, and then it tells you how many rolls you should need. Mine said I should need 2 rolls, but because I'm a beginner, I've ordered 3 because I felt like it might be a bit risky, or like ordering only what they say and then only be able to get halfway up, like halfway done, and then getting frustrated that I need to wait until the next lot comes before I can continue it. So we've gone for 3 rolls. I will obviously vlog the process. Hopefully it goes well, and then we have to wait for that to dry, and then I can put my mirror on the wall. I feel like I want to get some sort of rug or something in there because obviously we're going to relay the whole carpets throughout the whole house, but that might be a while off, so I kind of just want to get it looking as pretty as it physically can, and then I will share it all with you. So I now feel like this is my home. I think it's literally taken 3 weeks, but I think going away and coming back and all of our stuff is slowly getting unpacked. We still do have a room full of boxes, but I think that is going to be the case for quite a while. I remember when we moved from Essex to Norfolk, like in my parents' home, that took a long time before the spare room was an empty room. But everyone has told me that the feeling you get once that spare room is empty of boxes is the best feeling. So hopefully that won't be, it's not going to be done before Christmas realistically, but it will be great when it is done. So I'm now going to make a cup of tea, wait for Mum and Dad, and then we're going to get wallpapering, and my battery now says it's low, so that's marvellous. Look at my wall. We finally finished. I'm going to show you. Oh my god, excuse the state of me. Obviously I look an absolute mess, but oh my god, how pretty is it? This is literally exactly what I wanted. We also put the wallpaper underneath my desk, which I think looked really nice, and kind of ties it all in. But oh my god, how pretty is that? I'm in love. I'm in love. Hello! Oh my god, it's been a while since I picked up the camera, but you guys don't know. So this is like the next day. I have been so busy. We have decorated nearly the living room. We've put the paneling wall up. We're just waiting for a few bits of artwork, and we're actually going to wallpaper tomorrow. Dad's coming over to help me again because I don't know how I feel about... I managed the wall in here with Dad, but I don't know if I'd be as good without him, so he's coming over tomorrow to help us because I feel like it's going to be a bit of a job. Started my door. I wanted to feature door in here, just the back of the door. The front of the door looks completely white and like the rest of the house, but I wanted it to have a bit of pop of personality in here, especially when I'm doing my selfies and stuff. In this window, in this mirror, I want it to kind of look colourful behind, so that is what we're going with. Also, can we just address the fact that I look like I'm fresh out of the 70s, but I really like this look. Good morning! My camera completely died last night, and then I had a nightmare of trying to find the camera and the camera charger and couldn't find them anywhere. So basically we went out for dinner at Epinham House last night. It was so nice. I'll try and put some pictures somewhere, and really enjoyed it. Then came back and we watched a film called Something's Gotta Give. Really old film, so good. Would highly recommend it. It's on Netflix. This morning we have been to an auction. We wanted to look for some furniture, but there wasn't really anything we wanted. We went to an antique shop, and then we just come back, had some lunch, and now we are wallpapering the living room. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm gonna show you. I've actually left the men doing it. Look at this.
All good. That could be the hardest bit.
Getting around there.
Getting around the beam.
How's you doing, Dad?
Locked and secure.
Good morning. Today we're off to Colchester to see Chris's friend. We just had a baby, so that'll be nice. And then also we're stopping off at Homesense on the way because I want to get some home things, and every time we've been to Homesense there's been some really, really nice things, so I'm hoping we can find something. The living room looks epic. I'll show you probably tomorrow because the lighting is awful. It's really dark today, and I want you to see this best light, and also if we find some bits today then I want to start it up with that. So this is not the best mug you've ever seen in your life. Good morning, actually it's good afternoon. Good afternoon. So it's been a while since I actually came on here and spoke and updated the vlog. I think the last time I spoke to you was when we were going to Homesense actually, which actually ties me into what I'm going to show you. I want to actually show you what I got in Homesense because we had such a productive time in Homesense. Like, I wanted to get a few bits. Now I feel like I'm qualified to get home bits because I have a home. We actually found some really cool bits, and I wanted to show you. Also, just excuse the crazy makeup. I'm shooting a campaign. I don't know if I like it or if it's a bit extra, but I literally get in pictures, so that's the main thing. So I could start with this little guy. I'm really collecting all the Crusade stuff for our kitchen and I want none of it to match, so this is perfect as I'm on the baking hype. So this is like a lemon juice. I think it was £10, so really, really cheap in comparison. So I think it was like £30 in a Crusade normally, so my collection is growing. Got some cushions. This one here, flipping love this. This is so, oh my god, it's just so cute. And also I love the leopards. We've unintentionally gone for a bit of a jungle theme in the living room. I will show you an updated living room in a second once I've done this, because a lot has changed. Then we got the this giant orange one as well. Looks really nice with this one. And then we also got, hang on, a candle. If you can get into Homesense without getting a candle, then good luck. I applaud you. We got a fresh lemon one. I put this on my stories and one of you guys said that actually it's the nicest smelling candle they've ever smelt, so can't wait to burn this. Also at the beginning of this vlog I think I showed you some bits we got from Tkmaxx, and the Tkmaxx candle that we got, the bourbon one, oh my god, it smells so nice. If you see it, highly recommend to go and find it. And then we got this guy. I flipping love him. It's got like parrots and toucans at the top, and he holds a candle. Such a child. And then also got a canvas. My camera is flashing to say it has no battery. I've just put a new one in there, so that's great. This is the candle that we picked up. I actually spotted it and really, really liked it, but I didn't know if Chris would like it, so I thought I'm not going to point it out. And then just as we were about to leave, he was like, do you like that canvas for the living room? I was like, oh my god, yes. So we're going to put it on this wall here, and then we're going to have a couple of other bits of artwork to go on that wall, but oh my god, it looks so cute. I just literally just love it. It's like something from the ivy, and the ivy like interior is exactly what I wanted for our living room, so it's like absolutely perfect. The living room is slowly taking place. Just look at that. Exactly how I want it to look in here. We painted all of the walls this colour. This is Varamball Breakfast Green. And then we put a rail up. And then we've put the wallpaper. Well, I didn't put the wallpaper up. Chris and Dad put the wallpaper up the other day. And oh my god, I literally love it. And this is little Mr. Squidge. If you haven't seen Mr. Squidge, then I don't know where you've been, but he always sits on the sofa and he's in pride of place. Oh, and also picked up this throw-in home bargain. That was like $19.99, but oh my god, I love it. I think I want like a palm tree gold lamp to go on this wall, but it's all coming together. Look at my little monkey, he's so cute. I realised I also forgot to update you on something big in the kitchen. So I've been collecting like different coloured vases and cups and things from like charity shops or car boot fairs and stuff, because I saw an idea on Pinterest and I really, really wanted to recreate it. And we've done it. Chris's mum found this cabinet on the side of the road, and it was said free on it, so she took it and thought, oh, I can know a home that will have that. And oh my god, are you ready? This is my rainbow shelf of dreams. Oh my god, I've been collecting these like random little pots and things for ages. Frances got us that as a moving in present. I really liked it ages ago. We went into a shop and she picked it up for me. But like there's like Ed Sheeran cups there and all these like vases that we've just been collecting for ages from boot fairs for like 10 or 20p. This jug here actually is from Oliver Bonus. That was a Christmas present to Chris like 3 years ago, but I knew where I was going to put it. Good afternoon, this is a different angle. Hello from my kitchen and my new colourful shelves. This afternoon I've just been so busy. Managed to shoot 3 different campaigns, 3 different looks. So that's good, at least it's a bit productive. My fascinator has come for tomorrow we're off to the races. I don't know if I actually mentioned that. Tomorrow we're off to the races. We've been once before, this would be a second time. Trying to find an outfit for this time was absolutely flipping horrific. I think that's because I absolutely loved my outfit so much the first time. Like, I felt as good as I would feel in my wedding dress. It was that, like, I absolutely flipping loved that dress. So trying to find another dress that kind of rivaled that is really hard, especially as it's now coming like cold. So I want to be warm and not like be in a skimpy summer dress. But I think I've ordered the whole of ASOS and nothing looks right and nothing is right. So I'm either going with a suit that I've already had for a while, but I don't think I've actually shot, so that's fine. Or the dress that I wore last time because I flipping loved it. And why could you not wear a dress twice? Like, you can do that. So Fascinator's come today. Hopefully that will look nice with it. I'm going to tan tonight, so that will make me feel a lot better about everything. Everything looks better with the tan. And then we're off to the races tomorrow. What is it like to get dressed up? What do people do outside the house? Flowers from people just walking past. It's many flowers from Freddie's Flowers. How pretty are they? And they look so nice in my living room. They're so beautiful. And my living room's cute too.